हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू यूके कैंपस। आई एम सौरभ। आज हम 67th बीपीएससी प्रीलिम्स के लिए जनरल स्टडीज की प्रैक्टिस सेट स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है गवर्नर जनरल फ्रॉम हिस्ट्री। सो लेट्स बिगिन विद सेट 1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 says who was the first governor general of India? Your options are Lord Mayo, Lord Lytton, Lord Canning, Lord Dufferin, and E says none of the above or more than one of the above. Your answer is E. Your answer is E, none of the above, because William Bentinck was the first Governor General of India. Question number 2. At the time of the establishment of Asiatic Society in Calcutta, who was the Governor General of Bengal? Your options are Lord Cornwallis, Lord Warren Hastings, Lord Wellesley, and Lord Bentinck. Your answer is B. Lord Warren Hastings. Lord Warren Hastings was the Governor General of Bengal at the time of the establishment of Asiatic Society on 15th January 1784 in Calcutta. Question number 3. The policy of security cell is related to. Options are Warren Hastings, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Wellesley, Lord Hastings, and E says none of the above or more than one of the above. E is the correct answer, more than one of the above. The policy of security cell is related to Warren Hastings and Wellesley. Question number 4. Who among the following was prosecuted for impeachment by the British Parliament? Options are A. Sir John Shore, B. Lord Clive, C. Warren Hastings, and D. Lord Bentinck. Your answer is Warren Hastings, C. Warren Hastings from 1788 to 1795, and the reason was unjust and arbitrary functions. Question number 5. Who among the following Governor Generals created the Covenanted Civil Services of India, which later came to be known as the Indian Civil Services? The answer is C. Cornwallis. Cornwallis reconstructed the administration and abolished the revenue boards and led the new laws for them. Question number 6. Which one of the following statements does not apply to the system of subsidiary alliance introduced by Lord Wellesley? Your options are A. To maintain a large standing army at others' expense, B. To keep India safe from Napoleonic danger, C. To secure a fixed income for the company, and D. To establish British paramountcy over the Indian states. The answer is C. To secure a fixed income for the company. Lord Wellesley introduced subsidiary alliance in India in 1798. The fear of Napoleon haunted the Britishers everywhere. To achieve his political aims, Wellesley relied on the system of subsidiary alliance, and the answer of question number 6 is C. Question number 7. Consider the following which concluded the subsidiary alliances with Lord Wellesley and find the correct chronological order of their treaties from the code given below. Your options are Hyderabad, Mysore, Awadh, and Sindhia. And the answer is A. Code A 1234. The chronology is Hyderabad 1798, Mysore 1799, Tanjore October 1799, Awadh 1801, Peshwa December 1801, Brar 1803, Sindhia 1804, and Rajput Estates 1818. Question number 8. The revolt of Vellore occurred during the regime of which governor? Options are Wellesley, Lord Minto, Lord Cornwallis, Sir George Barlow, and none of these. The correct answer is D. Sir George Barlow. Sir George Barlow was the then governor. Vellore Mutiny 1806 was protested against interference of the East India Company in the social and religious practices by the Indian sepoys. Question number 9. Anglo-Nepal War took place during the reign of. Your options are Lord Cornwallis, Lord Hastings, Lord Wellesley, and Warren Hastings. The correct answer is B. Lord Hastings. The Anglo-Nepal War took place during the reign of Lord Hastings, which came to an end by the Treaty of Sugauli. So the answer is B. Question number 10. Sir Thomas Munro was governor of Madras during years. The correct answer is A. 1820 to 1827 AD. Munro is credited as the father of Rayatwari system in India, in which the taxes of agricultural land were directly collected from the Rayats owner of the land. Question number 11. On the basis of alleged maladministration, which Governor General had taken the administration of Mysore state? Your options are A. Lord Wellesley, B. Lord Hastings, C. Lord William Bentinck, and D. Lord Hardinge. And the correct answer is C. Lord William Bentinck. Lord William Bentinck annexed Mysore in 1831 and the state of Coorg and Cachar in 1834. Question number 12. Who among the following Governor Generals of Bengal was associated with Third Anglo-Mysore War? The options are Warren Hastings, Lord Cornwallis, Sir John Shore, and D. Lord William Cavendish Bentinck. And the answer is B. Lord Cornwallis. Let's look at the explanation. Lord Cornwallis 1790 to 1792 took charges of the army in this war. Treaty of Srirangapatnam was signed in this war, under which he had to give almost half of his states to the British. Question number 13. Who among the following was associated with the suppression of thugs? A. General Henry Prendergast, B. Captain Sleeman, C. Alexander Burris, and D. Captain Robert Pemberton. And the correct answer is B. Captain Sleeman. Let's have a look at the explanation. Thugs used to worship Kali, Durga, and Bhavani. They used to cut the head and offer it as a sacrifice in the feet of the goddess. Lord William Bentinck appointed Captain Sleeman to take action against these thugs. Question number 14. Sati system was abolished by A. Lord Warren Hastings, B. Lord Wellesley, C. Lord William Bentinck, and D. Lord Ripon. The correct answer is C. Lord William Bentinck. Explanation. It was Raja Ram Mohan Roy who started his campaign against Sati practice, and in 1829 Lord William Bentinck banned the practice of Sati system. Question number 15. Hill Assembly Plan was set up for the development of Adivasi by. Your options are A. T. Wilkinson, B. Cleveland, C. Lord William Bentinck, and D. Lord Macaulay. And the correct answer is B. Cleveland. Hill Assembly Plan was set up for the development of Adivasi by Cleveland. Question number 16. Consider the annexation of the following states under doctrine of lapse and arrange them into a chronological order. Option A is Satara, B. Jhansi, C. Bhagat, and D is Udaipur. And the correct order is 1, 3, 4, 2. That is third option. Satara in 1848, Jaitpur and Samalpur in 1849, Bhagat in 1850, Udaipur in 1852, Jhansi 1853, Karauli in 1855, Nagpur 1854 under the principle of doctrine of lapse. Question number 17. James Andrew Ramsay was the real name of which Governor General of India? Your options are Lord Dalhousie, Lord Canning, Lord North, and Lord Curzon, and the correct answer is Lord Dalhousie. Let's have a look at the explanation. Lord Dalhousie, who served as Governor General of India from 1848 to 1856 was also known as the Earl of Dalhousie. His real name was James Andrew Brown Ramsay. So the correct answer is A. Question number 18. The ruler of which one of the following states was removed from power by the British on the pretext of the misgovernance? Options are Awadh, Jhansi, Nagpur and Satara. And the answer is Awadh, A. Lord Dalhousie efficiently made the plan and accused Nawab of Awadh, Wazid Ali Shah, for maladministration and merged his state in the British Empire on 13th February 1856. Question number 19. Which of the following was the first victim of Lord Dalhousie's policy of doctrine of lapse? And the options are Jhansi, Satara, Karauli and Sambhalpur. And the correct answer is B. Satara. The doctrine of lapse first applied to the state of Satara in 1848 AD on the ground if the ruler of the state died childlessly or was manifestly incompetent. Question number 20. Which of the following princely states was not annexed by the British? The options are Sindh, Gwalior, Awadh and Satara. The correct option is B. Gwalior. Gwalior was not annexed by the British. Question number 21. Public Works Department was organized in 1845 to 1855 by. The options are Lord Dalhousie, Lord Cornwallis, George Auckland and Warren Hastings. And the correct answer is A. Lord Dalhousie. The Public Works Department was set up for the first time in 1845 to 1855 in the period of Lord Dalhousie. So the correct answer is A. Lord Dalhousie. Question number 22. In whose rule the Widow Remarriage Act was implemented in? And the options are A. Lord Dalhousie, B. Lord Canning, C. Sir Henry Hardinge and D. Lord Lawrence. And the correct answer is B. Lord Canning. Let's have a look at the explanation. The Widow Remarriage Act was passed in 1856 during the period of Lord Canning by the extraordinary effort of Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. Question number 23. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Option A. Local self-government, Lord Lytton. B. Subsidiary alliance, Lord Wellesley. C. Doctrine of lapse, Lord Dalhousie. D. Permanent settlement, Lord Cornwallis. And the answer is A. Local self-government and Lord Lytton. Government resolution on local self-government was introduced during the tenure of Lord Ripon in 1882, not Lord Lytton. So A is the correct answer. Question number 24. The first census in India during the British period was held during the tenure of, and the options are Lord Dufferin, Lord Lytton, Lord Mayo and Lord Ripon. And the correct answer is C. Lord Mayo. The first census in British India started in 1872 during the tenure of Lord Mayo, but the regular census began in 1881 during the tenure of Lord Ripon. Question number 25. Who established Imperial Cadet Corps? And the options are Lord Minto, B. Lord Curzon, C. Lord Lytton and D. Lord Ripon. And the correct answer is B. Lord Curzon. And the explanation is Lord Curzon had the longest tenure as a Viceroy of India from 1899 to 1905, that is 7 years. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल यूपी कैंपस को एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर सच मोर वीडियोस. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.